Hello guys, and welcome to another Fantasy Premier League tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can leave a public league in the Fantasy Premier League application for the mobile phone. I think the process is a bit different for actual web browsers such as Google Chrome, Firefox and Opera. However, I will be sticking to the application for the purposes of this tutorial, so let's get right into it. Now, the way you actually quit a league in the application is by navigating to this screen. When you open up your Fantasy Premier League application, you will probably be here on the screen for the latest news. What you want to do is click on the fantasy in the bottom middle of your screen, and you will be taken to this screen with all these options and all these menus. Now, when you're actually on this screen, what you want to do is navigate to the bottom, and you will find your leagues and cups section, where you will find exactly all the leagues you are part of and all the leagues that are going on, and of course any leagues you've created, as with the tutorial league which I've created before. Now, to actually leave a league, what you want to do is make sure leagues are selected and click configure leagues. Once you click on this, you will be taken to this screen where you will see all the leagues you are a part of and given options to either create or join new leagues or renew your leagues. Now, when you scroll down, you will see public classic leagues and public head-to-head leagues. The process of leaving each of these is the same. I'm not a part of any of them since I am not. I signed up before the point change, and I need to wait for another point change to actually change this. However, if you click on the cog icon to the right of the names, you will see this screen. You will see the league name, you will see the standings button, and you will see the leave league button. Because I'm not a part of a league, I cannot click on, or I cannot leave a league rather. However, if you are already a part of one and you click leave league, you will have left the league, and that's pretty much all the wisdom there is to this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new, and I will see you guys in another video.